Hey friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then welcome. Please hit that subscribe button and your bell notification to stick around so you're not missing out on any more videos here with me. I'm so excited, you guys, because today I got new makeup. I know you guys are like, Sheena, do you need any more makeup? Have you even finished that basket of makeup? And to answer your question, I'm almost done with that basket of makeup. There is a tutorial coming soon on this look if you're wondering. So I went outside to get the mail, and the mailman actually was on his way up to the door, and my Colourpop package came. I'm super excited about that. But before we jump into unboxing this, I just need to say that if you guys see me sipping something, I am drinking one of the Ritas. It is a sangria spritz. It's pear orange, so it's a sparkling sangria cocktail. Looks like that. And let me just tell you, this is really good. Shout out to Nate's mom for hooking me up with one of those. I didn't think it was going to be good, but it's the bomb. I'm going to start with my Sephora bag because there's one thing in here, and I know, again, late to the party, but you guys, it had been a minute since I was able to go out and get new makeup. I don't know if you know what it's like to have to like move and, you know, get bills and stuff like that situated. And for those of you who know what it's like, then you understand I didn't have money to splurge on makeup. So it's kind of a good thing I waited because I got the summer vinyl liquid liners from Fenty Beauty, and I got the Baywatch trio. I'm going to open them up and swatch them. Like, again, I know you guys have probably seen these a million times, but for those of you who haven't, I'm going to swatch them for you. I really wanted this trio because if you've been around on my channel since the beginning, then you guys know that I love green. Lime green is my color. Now, okay, the colors are on top here. I don't know why. Oh, okay, they do have them on the liner. Yes, they're on the liner. It's just real small. But the green shade is called Jalapeno. Jala. So I watched reviews on these, and I got to see them swatched, and they just looked so vibrant, and a lot of people had a lot of good things to say about them. So that is the green shade right there. And I was told with the green, you have to like kind of layer it up because it has a white undertone. And as we know, you guys, anything neon, you do have to kind of like double it up. But you guys know I'm like not big on pink, but this pink is beautiful. And then last but not least, we have the blue. Nay really, really likes this blue color. I do too. It is absolutely stunning. Ooh, and that swatch of it. I can't wait to use these. I know like summer's over, so we got blue, green, and pink. And the pink is called Techno Beat, and then Hot Tub Club is the blue. So again, that's those swatched for you guys. I can't wait to use these because they're just so pretty, and I don't care that it's the end of summer and we're supposed to be moving into fall looks. I will find a way to make this blue and green work. So moving on to my Colourpop package. Nay, let me splurge on some makeup. I love Colourpop. Their packaging's always so nice, and they wrap everything so nicely. I mean, there's a lot of bubble wrap in here. But anyway, so let me splurge on some makeup. And so, of course, you guys know I had to hit up Colourpop because I haven't done a Colourpop haul in like over a year, I feel like. Actually, yeah, I haven't done a Colourpop haul in like over a year. I have gotten a few things from them from Ulta. But I love this card. It says Pumpkin Spice Everything Nice. From Colourpop. I love them. And y'all know fall is my favorite season. I'm going to start first with the liquid lipsticks that I got. I got 3 of them. And I want to get the That Girl Shay trio like collection that she got to have input on, like she got to choose. I want to get that, but there was just a couple of things I need to get first. Like I was just dying to get it. So I went ahead and picked up 3 liquid lipsticks. They are definitely from like different collabs, as you can see on here. So that's a little weird, I know, but there were just certain ones that I needed. So this is the Ellery X Colourpop Lippy, and this is in Henny Ways. This is a beautiful chocolate shade. That's why I needed it. I had to have it. It is so just up my alley. It's such a fall lip, and I tried to choose lip colors that were very fall, very vampy, because that is actually my favorite type of lip to wear. Look at that. It is so chocolatey. I'm really excited for this shade. And I'm over here like thinking of tomorrow's look to film with these new products. And then I have this one here. This is also a collab. This is, I don't know. It's hard to read the name because it's like in cursive. Let me see if I can't find it on my sheet here. I just know it's an ultra satin lip. That's what it says on there. And it is Chola. So whoever did this collab, the packaging is beautiful. I am loving it. So this one is a more comfortable. It doesn't dry down. It's really creamy and it does transfer, but it's still long wearing. So, and I got rid of all of my ultra satins, I think, except for like one. I don't know why I did that, but I had to get this one. This is Chola. That is, tell me that is not like the perfect fall shade. Look at this combination. So I'm excited to use this one as well. I'm excited to use all the products. I don't know why I keep telling you guys that. I'm just excited. And then this one is an ultra matte. This is just a Colourpop one, not a collab. And it's called Splash Zone. Again, this one is an ultra matte. But I like the color. This screams summer and fall to me. Look at that. It's like a berry shade. So y'all know I had to have it. And I haven't bought any Colourpop liquid lipsticks in a while. So I needed some new ones to add to the collection. So you guys, now that I'm done blabbering, this is what I was most excited for. Yes, I got Kathleen Light's collab, her So Jaded palette. This is Colourpop's first big palette. You guys know that their palettes are a lot smaller. I'm going to compare it for you. So this would be like a regular Colourpop palette. I'm going to take it out of the box because this is the packaging. It looks exactly the same as the palette, front and back. Okay, so we've got a regular Colourpop palette. Like, look at that. This is mega compared to the original size Colourpop palette. So I'm super excited. And congrats, Kathleen, on this amazing collab with Colourpop. Like, she does some of the best collabs, honestly. So we're going to open it up here. It says So Jaded, Kathleen Lights, X Colourpop, of course. And this is based off of crystals. And I'm just going to show you guys the inside. These shadows in all its glory. When you see them online, the pictures online don't do the palette justice in person. It is just so beautiful. Now, I'm not going to go through and swatch every single shade. I'm trying to see how many shadows are in the palette. Alright, so there's 30 shades in this palette. And I want to swatch the ones that like stand out to me the most. Like, this is called Peridot, and this is a like greeny, goldy shimmer shade. I don't even know if you guys can like really see that, but I just had to swatch it. And yeah, I'm swatching it on the softer part of my hand. Look at that. I don't know if it's picking up really good because I'm under some like extreme bright lighting, but this shade is beautiful. I'm going to swatch Jade, of course, because you guys know I love these green shades. And this one is a matte. That looks promising. Ooh. That swatched really nicely. It's really creamy. And then, of course, I've got to swatch the shade Turquoise for you guys. I also like that the shades are labeled on the palette, because you guys know how much I hate that little plastic piece of paper. Look at that. I have to swatch Aquamarine. I know it's another shimmer shade. Oh, I just did a matte. But this is my birthstone. Wow. Wow, that's so pretty. So it swatches really iridescent, like, I don't even know if you guys can see it above turquoise there. It didn't swatch like the greatest, so I feel like it'd be more of a topper, but it's really pretty. And then I'm gonna do Opal, which looks like it's a pressed glitter. Yep, it's a pressed glitter. It is a pressed glitter, so that's probably not gonna swatch the best for you guys, but you guys get the gist of it. You see that like really glittery kind of shade. And then Topaz is also a pressed glitter. And I swatched it right there on my hand. I hope the camera is picking these up. Look at that Topaz shade. That is really pretty. I cannot wait to dip into this palette and just go in, just get crazy. I'm going to also swatch Citrine. It's like this mustardy kind of yellow-green shade. You know, I'm a sucker for shades like that. And I can already envision a look in my head right now with this like mustard shade and Jade, this green shade. Do you guys see it? That mustard shade right there. So pretty. So pretty. Yeah, you guys, I cannot wait to film a look with this palette. I got glitter in my hair, which Kathleen did say, like, you could put the glitter in your hair. I watched her video. Of course, I'm going to watch her video on it, but she was showing how you can just rub the glitter in your hair and it just comes right out. So that was a really nice thing to see. And I'm going to be glitterified all day from swatching that glitter in my hand. But it was well worth it. So you guys, I'm going to have definitely a tutorial coming soon with this palette and, you know, one of these liquid lipsticks. I can see it in my head. I can see it right now. Anyways, you guys, that is it. That was my quick unboxing of new makeup I got. I got more new makeup. It's just not here yet. So when it gets here, I will definitely do an unboxing because I got another new palette that just came out. I'm not going to tell you what it is. Y'all are going to have to wait. Y'all are going to have to subscribe and stick around so you can see what it is. But I'm so excited for all of these like fall looks and Halloween looks. I'm going to be doing some Halloween inspired looks too. So just stick around for that. I skipped out on doing so normally I do 13 days of Halloween. I think last year I did a little bit more than 13 days. I don't remember, you guys. It was last year. I have glitter all over me. But I skipped out on doing it this year because, like I said, we, you know, just moved into the house. I'm trying to get settled and enjoy it and enjoy the family and things like that. But I will still bring you fall and Halloween looks because you know that is my time of year. So anyways, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you're not missing out on any videos here with me. Also, you guys, do not forget to check out my second channel, which is Shanae's Life. It is a lifestyle channel. Nay and I do all kinds of crazy stuff, and we just recently had a video go up probably a couple days to a week ago. Anyways, you guys, don't forget to put a smile on your face because it is truly the best makeup you can wear. I love you guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.